Well, hello there, everyone. Welcome to DIY Design by CCW. Guys, thank you so much for watching the video today. I'm doing a little short video, guys, just a little idea for a tablescape that I came up with, and I'm going to title this one the Use What You Have tablescape. What I did is basically I wanted to do is pull out some things that I had either used in other places or things I had just stored away, and just kind of make over my tablescape. And I reused a few things that I already had on the table just to see what I could come up with, just to mix it up a little bit. So the last look I had on my table was the silver and gold tablescape. For this one, I just did a play off the gold mainly, and with a little pop of white and, well, really cream to kind of offset that. So you guys know I have a glass table, and what I did is cover it with a gold organza table cover or tablecloth. And that's something I already had. I just had it packed away. I wasn't using it. And for my runner, I just used a gold runner that I already had. I actually had this on my coffee table in the living room and decided to move it in here. I pulled some gold chargers out. I've got tons of those chargers, all different colors. So I pulled out some gold for this. Used some gold flatware that I already had. And these pillows, you've seen them before. They come from my living room. I just kind of changed up the pillows in there. And I moved these in here. For the place settings, I went really basic. I have a white plate, little different white plate than the ones that I typically have on the table. I have a clear saucer, and I'll get a little closer. You can see these napkins they're gold with little flecks of bling in there. If you can make that out on camera. This centerpiece is one that I've used lots of different places in my house. I did originally buy it for my dining room table, and I've moved it into the living room. I've used it in the kitchen. I mean, it's been all over. So I like to move things around, as you guys probably know. And it's sitting on, yes guys, this is a cake plate. I love them. I don't know why. Just like using them under my centerpieces. And this cake plate, I think I got that from Home Goods, I'm sure. I usually catch them on sale. My rule is never spend more than $20 for one. And when I see them marked down, I'll grab them. You've seen this stemware before. If you remember, I got one set from Home Goods, the other from Ross. That's really it, guys. This is nothing fancy. Just to show that I just wanted to see what I could do. Just pulling together a few things that I already had in the house. Just to see what it would look like if I put it together and used it as a tablescape. You guys will be seeing another video soon because I did participate in Tablescape Sunday. We did a wedding theme tablescape, so that'll be coming up. And that'll debut, or those tablescapes rather, that collaboration will be posted shortly. But this is just something I did, you know, just to see. As I was putting the table back together, I thought, what the heck, let me try and change it up and see what I can come up with. So anyway, that's all I had. And I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. I thank you so much for watching this video. And as always, I welcome all of your comments. Anything you think I can do better, please let me know. If you like it, then please give it a thumbs up. Again, thank you for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.